This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Jim Harbour. Located on number 13 of the Balboa Golf Course, this 2,087 square foot home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bath and an office. Large level lot with low maintenance rockscape yard. 3-car garage with 1 stall deep enough to store a boat. Large kitchen with breakfast area. Formal dining room. Vaulted ceiling in the living room. Walk-in shower in the primary bedroom. Current internet provider is StarLink. Refrigerator, washer and dryer do not convey. New HSV property owners are subject to a one-time HSV Property Owners Association buy-in fee of $2,000 collected at closing. For more information, review the details below or contact Jim Harbour at 501